Hey folks, Nerdy Barbarian here. I don't normally break out the whole video mic setup to do unboxings. I usually just film them as shorts, but this one's kind of special to me. I've been really looking forward to this one. So this is all the way from Poland. And those of you in the know may have an idea where this is going. And this is the Shirogorov-Sinkovich collaboration fit strip, if you're wondering. Hey, future me, don't forget to block out my shit on there.
You can always count on me.
Peanuts!
Peanuts?
All I paid was peanuts. This is a nice budget knife. What we got there? Polish custom knives. Yeah, you probably saw this one coming. Maybe I even put it in the title. I'm really not sure what I'm going to say about it yet, but ooh, look at that. That's a nice box. Kind of reminds me of the Koenig boxes. We have a Herman Vespertilio. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. This is my first Herman, so I hadn't seen this. The certificate of authenticity is metal, like a metal card. Oh, that's dope, dude. Look at that. Folder Vespertilio, serial number 161, blade M398 at 62 to 63 Rockwell. Titanium handle, titanium backspacer, titanium clip. Birth date February 9th, 24. Huh. That's pretty long ago for it. I bought it right as it dropped. Because I've been kind of waiting on one. It sold some stuff to get ready for it, and then one dropped, and I bought it immediately. So I'm kind of surprised to see that birth date so long ago. Interesting. We got a little cutout foam there, it looks like it, and there's the main event right there. They even give you some oil and a tool. I'll get to the knife in a second, but look at this. Can we just appreciate that? That is a nice T20. They didn't have to do that, but they did. That's really cool. Meanwhile, I got this Shirogorov over here. Will cost a lot more than this Herman with these stupid proprietary tri-wing screws that they don't give you a tool for. Do better, Shiro. This is the way to do it. They don't even need to give you this. It's just a Torx, but they did it anyway, and that's really cool. Love that. Thumbs up for that. There we go. Look at that thing. That is so cool. Contoured titanium handles. These aren't just flat slabs. The nice milling pattern that gets wide and then gets small and then gets wide. The screws go through from the back side to the show side, and then they're like rounded into little domes. Looks like pins. That's kind of nice. I like that. It's kind of got a light brown, bronzy kind of anode job on it. Man, this thing is beautiful. I like how the pivot screw fits into this recess. It's like inlet for it perfectly, so it fits it. And this does a second job. Not only does it look nice, but it keeps it from rotating. So this is a captive pivot. That's a nice touch. And then just a fancy looking but regular T20 for the pivot screw. That's nice. Kind of a dimpled texture, like a hammer textured titanium backspacer. Nicely centered. Let's open it. Ooh. Man, that's nice. I'm gonna put it right up on the mic. Love that. That is smooth. Oh man, it makes such a good noise. Funk. I like this nested liner lock it's got going on here too. Nice and easy to get to, nicely cut away. Wow. I think that'll do it now until I play with it a little more and carry it a bit and see what I think of it, and I'll come back with a full video on it at some point, but I just wanted to get this out of the box on camera and let you guys see it. Thanks.